So, good afternoon class. So, today we are going to talk about the male and the female reproductive system. So, as we all know class, that the female reproductive system produces egg while the male reproductive system produces sperm. So, when they combine, fertilization occurs leading to pregnancy.
Hey, I never really thought about how this works in detail. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah, we all came from this process. Feels weird but important to know.
So class, understanding this helps you make informed choices about your health. So next class, we're going to talk about the sexually transmitted disease.
Miss, why do we need to learn this thing?
I'm glad you're asking. So education is the best way to protect yourselves. So condoms reduce the risk of most STDs, but they are not 100% effective. So there are also vaccines for HPV and also hepatitis B.
We know condoms help, but what about other protection?
And what about HIV?
There's no cure, but treatment exists, and using protection, regular testing, and even medications like PrEP can lower the risk.
So, the best way to be safe is to be responsible and communicate, right?
Exactly. Always get tested, know your partner's health, and never be afraid to ask questions.
I understand this is difficult news. One of you has infertility issues, but there are other options. What are our available options, Doc? Treatments include IVF, sperm or egg donation, and surrogacy. We can explore what works best for you.
We will take every options, Doc. We really want to have kids.
Then let's make a plan. Science has come a long way and there's hope.
Thank you, Doc.
Hi, this is Eileen. A friendly reminder that HIV and AIDS are spreading widely, so be safe and be wise. And be responsible enough to do a safe sex, okay? Bye-bye.